Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold. You might.
What is going on, guys? Jack here, and welcome your beautiful faces back to the channel. Now, today's video we're going to be showing you how to create a professional lower third for your YouTube channels, your YouTube videos. Obviously, your lower thirds are actually something what pops up on the screen saying maybe drop a like, or don't forget to subscribe to the channel, or follow me on Twitter. Just a thing, you know what I mean? So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over to File, click New, and then what you want to do is go over to, it's basically, what you want to put in is 1280 by 720. That's basically going to be the thing of like the full screen of your YouTube video, which is basically what you want. You don't want to be going 500 by times 500, because then when you actually put it into the video, it's going to be a lot smaller than you want it to be. So basically, yeah, go to background contents, click transparent, and continue. And what you want to do from here, guys, is go over to open. Actually, no, we don't. We want to go over to place. Jesus Christ, Jackie boy, get with it. And then when you want to go over to, basically, you can get it from Google. Just go over to Google, type in circle transparent and rectangle transparent as well. So what you want to do, you want to put that about there like that. And we'll make that not too big, but not too small at the same time. And then you put that at the bottom of the screen around there. And then what you want to do is go over to place. And then I actually went over to Google Images again and got a rectangle. And then what you want to do is you want to make that about that big. And you're probably thinking, Jack, it's red and freaking black. It will not go. I know this. I know this. So what you want to do is go over to Control. Click that. Click that. And then what you want to do is go over to Select. No. You want to go to Layer. Merge Layers. There we go. So now the whole thing is merged, which is absolutely fantastic. And then what you want to do is double click it. And then what you want to do is go over to Gradient Overlay. Now, obviously, see, it's no red and black. You get what I mean? There's no freaking red and black. So what we're gonna do now is we'll probably go over. We'll probably make this a Twitter. We'll probably make this a Twitter one, to be fair. So we'll do that, and then we will go over to the white, and we'll go over to pretty much the same color again, like that. Yada yada yada. And then what you want to do is go to Drop Shadow. I don't know if this. Yeah, it is working. It is working. There we go. There we freaking go. Just want to give that a little bit of drop shadow, you know what I mean? And then what you want to do is go over to place again. You want to go over and get your Twitter bird right here. You can get that from Google Images as well, guys. You don't exactly need to stress out and be like, I haven't got one. What? You don't need to worry. Just go over to Google. Just type in Twitter logo, transparent. Then you're absolutely fine. Then you want to go over to color overlay, change it to white, and then go to drop shadow again, and hopefully, yeah, there we go. Look at that bad boy. Look at that. That looks freaking insane. And now you want to go over to the text bar, click it inside of here, and then we're gonna rump this up now to about 400, so it's big enough to see. You know what I mean? So then you want to click the text you want. I've got Bebas Nu, or however you want to say it. Basically, what you want to write is follow me on Twitter. And then we're going to make that big enough to see when Twitter stops. When Photoshop stops being an idiot. There we go. I'm probably going to make it. I'm not going to make it too big. We do not want to be making it too big. Apply. And then what you want to do is go double click that. And you want to put a bit of drop shadow on this as well, just to give it that better effect, you know what I mean? Like that. And then, obviously, what you want to do is go over to the follow me on Twitter little layer. Duplicate layer. And then you want to drag this down like so. And then what you want to do is double click it again, click the forward, whatever you want to do, forward slash, And then obviously just type in your name. Yeah, type in your name. Oh, like so. And then you're all pretty much done, guys. You're all pretty much done. If you want to do the same thing again, but you want it for YouTube, basically, obviously, change the color of the background. Instead of blue, you want it red. Put the little YouTube logo there, and then subscribe to my, don't forget to subscribe, and then put your username down the bottom, guys. It's very simple, very, very easy. I do hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I have been a little bit stuttery for some random freaking reason, but it doesn't really matter. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to smash the like button, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.
No,